Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be helping you with the problem Instagram Reels not showing up in a new account. The first thing we're going to do is make sure the app is fully up to date. So let's go to the Play Store. Once you're here, you will gonna type Instagram. So to the right of the Instagram, it either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you need to update your app. The reason we update the app is to get rid of any bugs or lags that may have been part of the last update. So go ahead and update your app. If your updating your app doesn't work, we can go ahead and offload the app. So I'm going to go to settings, and from settings, I'm gonna go to app, and then manage apps. I'm gonna search Instagram. So we have the option to offload the app or delete the app. We're going to storage, and then clear data, and then clear cache. The reason we offload the app is because it updates and removes the unnecessary data. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app. Alright, if updating or offloading doesn't work, you will need to report this problem on Instagram. So let's go ahead and go to Instagram app. From here, you're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and click on your profile photo. Once on your profile, you're going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on those three lines. Once you're here, click on settings, and from here, go to the bottom of the page and click help. You're going to pick the first option, report a problem. So I'm going to report a problem. Just going to say Instagram Reels not available. So go into next and then send report. If updating, offloading, or reporting the problem and reinstalling doesn't work, my only other advice is to wait and hang tight because Reels is not released in some countries yet. It may not be released in yours. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and like.